Nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo, Secretary Anyo, Secretary Gibo Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, your record.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the President, once I mentioned. There was...
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They asked
Pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan, ang siyang nagplano.
Ma'am, we're already invoking executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.
We're invoking executive privilege in this
Yes,
matter.
that's fine, but it's in the interview, and it's
Yes, ma'am. It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'd like to understand. I think your brother was trying to
did not
explain
state in any
what he
way.
said in the interview, and I'm happy
They
to
asked
hear
me
it.
if I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan nanggaling yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, ma'am. Let me explain
sa
first, ma'am.
interview po eh.
Yes,
Ang
ma'am.
liwanag
Let me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival based
Parang hindi
on...
yung gano'n ang dating sa amin eh. Ang pagkaintindi
that
namin,
is the
apat
whole
na
truth,
nagplano.
ma'am. That is we were discussing rumors. Go ahead, ma'am.
Patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan ha.
And was that the plan from the very
Yes, from the
beginning?
very
What
beginning.
was, and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the President, it was you and the President.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chodoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chodoro was working out of his office sa Camp Aguinaldo.
Yes,
Secretary Anyo, of course, his specialty is intelligence. So he was...
Patayin na muna natin. Pakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa kahit ako ang kasama ng Presidente nung nagsalita sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo sa TV.
I must state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the President's statements were in Hong Kong, and it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was
grupo.
no planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano.
May isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about